Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable read receipts in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Go to your menu. Now scroll down. Here you can see messages and story replies. Press on this. Now in this page you'll find here show read receipts. You have to click here. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable read receipts in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.